System files corrupted by the WinRT Core NTUser DLL failure. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I have the verified steps to repair your Windows installation immediately. To kick off the manual repair for WinRT Core NTUser, you can also find an official toolkit designed for system-level synchronization. This is the WinRT Core NTUser, a specialized NTUser Private API Set Shim. It redirects unmanaged calls for internal window management and messaging, User32 Private functions, to the kernel, mandatory for the operational stability of the modern shell manifest. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. This error is usually caused by corruption in Windows system files. Open command prompt as an administrator and execute sfc/scannow to scan and restore protected files, like WinRT Core NTUser DLL. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the WinRT Core NTUser file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM space /online space /cleanup dash image space / restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Remember that WinRT Core NTUser DLL operates within a complex software ecosystem. Modifying it manually without updating its linked dependencies can lead to permanent environment errors. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. A recommended diagnostic path for WinRT Core NTUser management is outlined in the software resource linked below. If this fix repaired WinRT Core NTUser dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.